Lisa Hennessy with knitprayshare.com, and I'm going to show you a really simple way to make a pom-pom, a small pom-pom. These are really good to put on the top of baby hats. You're going to just cut a piece of yarn like that, stick it through the middle part of your fork, just kind of hold it out of the way. Then you're just going to wrap your yarn around here until the pom-pom is about the size or thickness you think. I like mine really puffy, so I'm going to wrap it up quite a bit here. So you just wrap it around until you think you got enough on here. I'm thinking that's probably a good enough size here. I'll just a few more for good measure. All right, now I'm going to flip that off. Then you've got your, let me put that right there and kind of hold it. And then you've got your yarn here and here. So this is where you might need to use your daughter or your husband or somebody to help you when you're tying it. If you're not able to get it tight enough, I'm going to pull it really tight right there. And I'll put my finger down, maybe that'll help it. But this is where a child would, or a person, another person. There we go, nice and tight. But of course you don't want to pull too tight so it breaks. Now I'm going to slip that off. And then I like these little nice pointy, and I'm going to go right here in the middle of my pom-pom. Just cut it all the way around. Now you can do the same thing with a pom-pom maker, but those cost money. So why not use the utensils you have at home, or if you're out in public and you want to make a baby hat with a pom-pom, just get a fork. And then I'm going to fluff it up, and of course when I do pom-poms, that does not look very pretty, does it? So I just trim it up. So that's all you do. You've got your fork pom-pom. And this one obviously is a little bit smaller than the other one I made because I didn't wrap it as long. And then I just keep trimming it till it's exactly like I want it. So it might end up being smaller. But there you go, your fork pom-pom.